We rolling? Let's talk about weight. I have here a scale. This is a weight scale, no, nothing special. One that I bought for my wife for Christmas, I don't know how long ago. I hope I don't break it. I had to replace the battery on it, but I sure hope I don't break it. She will be very upset. Anyways, I'm going to put that weight scale down here. Now weight is equal to mass times g, or m, the acceleration due to gravity. I'm going to step on this scale, and it's going to give me a weight. Turn it on. I'm going to step on it. And that has, oh, it's those muffins, I tell you, you know. We got to reduce a little bit of weight here. That's way too much. All right, here we go. And I weigh, oh, this is going to be some, 192.4. Can you write that down? I weigh 192.4 pounds. Shall I be writing it down above me? I weigh 192.4 pounds. This scale can change over from pounds to kilograms. Let's go to kilograms. I hope I do this right. Kilograms. I'm going to step on this scale again. And it says 1.7 kilos. Okay, let's see if I can zero that out. Stop that. So the calibration is, well, slightly off. All right, I'll go with it anyways. Here we go. I'm going to step on this. If you do a calculation, it won't be right because the scale's not zeroed. I weigh 89.1 kilograms. I weigh 89.1 kilograms. Look at that first sentence. That first sentence says, I weigh 192.4 pounds. That sentence entirely is correct. This is what's known as, you write this down for the top line. It is the BGS system. British, write down BGS. BGS. And this stands for British. It stands for British, write down somewhere around here. British gravitational. Big word. Gravitational. You're going to have to move the paper over a bit. System. That is the standard system that we all use in North America for weight. It works just fine. Look at the words. I weigh. Weigh represents a weight. Pounds represents a weight, the proper weight in the BGS system. For mass, in the BGS system, mass is called a slug. Right there, mass is a slug in the BGS system. What is mass in the metric system? Kilos. Kilograms is mass in the metric system. Read the sentence. I stood on that scale and it gave me my weight. And it says I weigh 89.1 kilograms. What's wrong with that sentence?
It's mass. It's not like
The word weigh is wrong. That's right. It's been grandfathered down from the imperial British system to the metric system. So it says I weigh 89.1 kilograms, but the unit describes the number. What this has actually given me is mass. There's a little bit of calculation going on here because it is electronic. Weight equals mg, so divide by 9.8 and I get my mass. That is done here electronically. So this is actually giving me my mass, not my weight. In Europe, when you step on a scale, everybody will tell you I weigh, well, maybe not that much. I weigh 70 kilograms, but they're actually giving you mass. Now let's do something else with this. Over here. I got a board. This scale, as you see it right now, is completely flat on the floor. This floor is not as hard as I hoped it would be. I have a board. When things are completely flat and horizontal, this scale here is giving me my weight. Or is it? What happens if I put that scale at a slight incline? So I have my board. I'm going to put the scale on an incline, such as this. Put a 2x4 underneath. I'm going to go back to pounds, I think. You know these electronic gadgets? Okay, I'm back in pounds. It says 0. I'm going to place this on the incline. And it's off scale. It's not reading 0. Come on. Work with me, buddy. Okay. So it's back to 0, 0. I hope this... You give me a moment, please. I need your shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah, just... And I broke it. I weigh, what's it say? 188 pounds. You write that down? I weigh 188 pounds on an incline. What happened? Now this is drastic. I don't think this thing is 100% correct, but it does the job. It gives you exactly what it is I want you to do. On an incline, you can write on here, incline. I weigh on an incline. That's good. Thank you. On an incline, I lost weight. Oh my gosh, this is a good thing. I lost weight. What's happening here? When things are completely horizontal, when the scale is completely horizontal, flat, perpendicular to the axis of the earth, goes everything straight down. My weight on here was 192 pounds. Moreover, the normal force, the weight, the scale itself is pushing back up with an equal amount of force that I'm pushing down. Weight is a force. I pushed down with 192.4 pounds. The scale is pushing back up 192.4 pounds. That pushing back up force is called the normal force. Normal means perpendicular. When I put the scale on an incline, the scale pushes, my weight is still going down. However, we need to do some resolving x and y components, just like we did earlier, because that's on an incline. Weight is still going straight down, but the normal force of that scale is off at this perpendicular to the scale itself, going this way. The normal force is always perpendicular to the surface that your weight is on, going that way. And as a result, because I'm doing a cosine or a sine, depending on how I'm looking at it, it's going to be less. This is called, and in that direction, it is the normal force. My weight always goes down, and it hasn't changed. So this scale does not give you your weight. It gives you a normal force. The scale gives normal force. That's what the scale does, normal force. And that gives us a good segue into part 2. Thank you.